Hi everyone, it's Ryan here from VW Macclesfield. Hope you're all well. Now we have got another exciting new addition to our family for you. We have got the Golf Mark 8 GTE. So this model is a hybrid. It packs a 1.4 petrol engine alongside an electrical motor that allows it to achieve an impressive 245 PS. Also achieves an astonishing 246 miles per gallon combined and is fitted with 17-inch Richmond alloys with the 65% privacy glass on the rear and the unique GTE styling kit which ties it in with the rest of our GTI range. So here we are inside the brand new GTE now, and as you can see there is some big changes that have gone in here. It has got the touchscreen features on the steering wheel with vibration feedback, as well as your brand new virtual cockpit. Now that is fully customizable. You can set that up for different driver profiles also, so I'll just run you through what you can do on there. So that is a generic screen that you can have set up, and you can customize the dials either side to choose how you want it set out. So you can choose from sat nav, average speed control, telephone, all done via touchscreen. And then you can also change the view of the overhaul, so you can have this set up so it's one large digital sat-nav screen if you wish. I quite like it with the traditional GTE logo in the centre with your digital speedo. On the steering wheel, you've got your Bluetooth features on the right-hand side and also on your left-hand side, still keeping with the technology with the adaptive cruise control, which works fantastic with the DSG, which all the GTE models are, and also your speed limiter. Also, your lights have all gone to touchscreen now, so very straightforward to use, simple and to touch, and also very easy to clean as well. With it being the DSG model, it does feature the flappy panel gearbox, which does give that element of performance and ties it in lovely with the GTE, with this car again having a very impressive 245 PS horsepower. To put that in perspective, the normal traditional 1.5 petrol engine turbo would normally give you 150 brake horsepower. So with that electric motor on there, it really does give it a bit more punch and a lot more brake horsepower for the vehicle. So this is a new entertainment system built into the Golf Mark 8 model. So you've got your Bluetooth, so you can accept and decline calls through the car, and you can also stream your music through it wirelessly. You've also got your radio, which gives you your DAB, AM and FM radio. And then also down here, you've also got App Connect. Now this is changed on here for us. This is sort of the next generation for us. This is wireless projection. So you don't need us to plug the car into the USB. It'll automatically project the image from your car from your phone onto the car screen without using a cable. So that's compatible with Apple, Android and MirrorLink also. You've got different users that you can use down here. So you can set up for different profiles on the car. So if you like a different radio station, a different ambient lighting colour, a different layout on your digital dashboard, that's how you'd set it up through there. Coming down here, you've got your background, so this is where I mentioned the colour. You can literally customise the car to whatever you'd like, so you can run through and change the colour of your dials to whatever your personal preference is, and even set it to one that you like. You've got up to 30 to choose from, so there's plenty of opportunity and options that you've got there. Go back to your home screen. You've got your sat-nav built in, so you can run that. That's our latest technology, dead easy to use, really quick and simple to search, just in case of putting your postcode in and you're away. And there is also multiple screens to this car as well, so you can run it through and have your sat-nav running whilst you're driving all the time, with your phone display in the right-hand side through your Bluetooth. And then you can skip again and it gives you a trip computer. And there's also something here that you've noticed probably called Shop. That is our CarNet system, so that allows you to download extra icons, themes, etc. onto the car itself. Coming down here, this is where your Bluetooth charger is kept, so you can put your phone in there, click it out of sight because you no need to see it, because it'll automatically project onto the screen in the car. All the GTE models are DSG, so this is the new DSG stalk. Nice and simple, very premium feel, with it not being too out of the dashboard. Down there you've got your parking brake and your auto hold, so you physically can't roll the car back, and it is just really straightforward to use as well, with your double press down into sport mode. Whilst this whole video has been filmed, the ignition has been running on the car, and that is just to show you the demonstration of how quiet it runs whilst it's in the electric mode. On the interior of the new GT, it's got the new style tartan coming through the GTIs with the bolster seats, with the blue theme following throughout onto the steering wheel and also through the headlights at the front of the car.